a quaint cottage nestled on the edge of a dense forest. A young girl named Lily made a remarkable discovery. She had always been curious, with an insatiable desire to explore the world beyond her backyard. But on one fateful summer day, her curiosity led her to a hidden secret that would change her life forever. Lily had been reading a dusty old book about magical forests, and she had become convinced that such enchanting places could exist. Her heart longed to find a portal to another world. One afternoon, she ventured deeper into the forest than ever before. As she ventured further into the woods, the trees seemed to whisper secrets, and the air was filled with a sense of wonder. Amidst a thicket of ancient oaks, she stumbled upon a peculiar, moss-covered door. Its brass doorknob gleamed as if it were beckoning her to turn it. With a trembling hand, Lily opened the door and stepped through. To her astonishment, she found herself in a magical wonderland filled with talking animals. Squirrels, rabbits, and deer greeted her with warm smiles. A wise old owl named Oliver introduced himself as the guardian of the enchanted forest. He explained that this world had been hidden from humans for centuries, accessible only through the secret door. Lily's life was forever enriched by the enchanting world behind the secret door, a place where talking animals and the wonders of nature coexisted in perfect harmony.